1. Open the wall bag. 2. Fig out the number of the walls. 3. Find the new mare first and silt it into the rail. 4. Find the others and slide them into the rail. 5. Zip each part. 6. Stick the Velcro. 7. Nail the pegs. 8. Adjust the buckles. 'You can get into the car by zipping here. All walls can be opened. That's all about Set the Awning Wall. Now, let's take it down. 1. Pull up all pegs. 2. Unzip the fixed zipper. 3. Undo the buckles. 4. Slide out the number to wall. 5. Fold all poles. 6. Unfasten 2 rope ratchets and ropes. 7. Fold 2 arms. 8. Roll the fabric part. 8. Fasten the buckles. 9. Close the cover, and that's all.